How to unblur likes on Bumble. Hello and welcome to our channel Whizz. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to unblur likes on Bumble. So please watch till the end of the video to properly understand the tutorial. So the first thing that you need to do is to open your Bumble app, and don't forget to register or log in with your existing Bumble account. And after signing up, you can see your profile information in here. And by clicking this, you can see everyone that you can interact with on this Bumble app. And to see the people that like you, all you need to do is to click on the third column, in which it will show you all of the people that like your profile. And as you can see, all of those people contain a blur images and not shown any personal information. And in order to unblur those images and to reveal the people that like your profile, you can unblur it by clicking the yellow button below to see who likes you. And it will lead you in here, in which you can see all of the offer of Bumble to get a premium account, in order for you to be able to see the person that like you behind those blur images. And also, the other way or method to see the blur images is by going to your profile account and click Premium, in which it will show you all of the benefits to have a premium account. And as you can see here, they offer a lifetime premium account and also the 6 months, 3 months, 1 month, and even a 1 week premium account, in which below those dates is its corresponding prices. And one of the benefits of those premium account is to see who likes you or behind those blur images, which will also allow you to see the name and other personal information of those person. So that's it. If you wanted to know how to unblur likes on Bumble, that is just how to do it. If you think this video was helpful, kindly give us a like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much and see you on our next video.